Well, we can close our eyes and make believe real hard. I could make waves. Yeah.
That's not how it's done.
Who said that?
I did. No, over here.
Who are you? He's back! What? I mean, who are you? This is our friend Barney. He's a dinosaur. But dinosaurs aren't real. This one is, and he's very friendly. And he loves kids. These are our friends Adam, Jason, and Lucy.
Oh, Barney is a dinosaur, a dinosaur, a dinosaur. Barney is a dinosaur, a friend to you and you.
Oh, Barney is our dinosaur, our dinosaur, our dinosaur. Barney is our dinosaur.
A friend to you and you. What's that little girl's name?
That's Tina. She's my little sister.
Would you like to give me a hug? I'm nice and soft. It's okay, Tina. Oh, Tina. Did I hear you say you've never been to the beach? Boolawunga!
What does that mean? I don't know. I don't speak dinosaur. We're supposed to go to the beach tomorrow, but our dad has to work all weekend, so he can't go.
We haven't been to the beach since last year.
Would you all like to go right now?
To the beach? Right now? Yeah!
Your mom will hear us.
But it's a long drive to the beach.
Oh, not the way we're going.
Goody! Barney's gonna help us again! Yeah!
Everybody get back into the pool. Close your eyes and pretend real hard. And I'll take you on a make-believe trip to the beach.
We tried that before.
Oh, but you didn't have me to help you. Shimbaree, shimbara, shimbaree, shimbara. A sailor went to sea to see what he could see. But all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. A sailor went to sea to see what he could see. But all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea.